y'all, I'm back. I took a little bit of a break, just have a lot going on in my personal life, but the one thing that I haven't stopped is shopping. So in today's video, I'm really excited. I've got another Nordstrom trunk to show you. Hello and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, I'm Ashley Dunmore and I put out videos on fashion, beauty, and luxury. And if that sounds interesting to you, please go ahead and click subscribe and turn on the bell to be notified whenever I put out new videos. In today's video, I'm super excited. I have another Nordstrom trunk for you. I absolutely love the trunk club. I've gotten several trunks from Nordstrom and I'm always really impressed with the pieces I get in them. I don't love every single piece, but I usually end up keeping quite a few pieces from each trunk. For those of you who don't know what the Nordstrom Trunk Club is, it's a subscription service where they charge you a $25 styling fee. If you have a Nordstrom card, they will actually waive that $25 styling fee. And they send you trunks at whatever frequency you're looking for. So you don't have to commit to months or quarters. You don't have to make any type of commitment there. You can also do on demand, which I love. So this particular trunk, I'm a little bit nervous about because I saw several pieces in the preview I didn't necessarily get excited about, and I actually haven't had that experience with the trunk so far. So I'm excited to see, maybe I'm wrong and maybe the styling is on point and I'll love it. Who knows? But we're gonna try it out. So let me get the trunk. All right, so I've unboxed everything in my trunk and this trunk included 10 different items. I am going to try each piece on and decide what I'm keeping. And just so you know, you are charged a $25 styling fee, but for any items you purchase, you get a $25 credit. So that's pretty nice as long as you take something that you like. Once I'm done trying on all the items and I've decided what I'm keeping and what I'm sending back, I will pack up my trunk and I have 3 options. I can either drop it off at my local Nordstrom store, which I actually live really close to a Nordstrom, so I could, or I can drop it off at a FedEx store, or I can schedule a pickup. I usually like to take it to a FedEx store. That too is not too far from where I live, and I can just drop it off and it's really easy. So let's look at the trunk. So when I saw these shoes, I laughed. And the reason I laughed is because my husband wears these types of shoes almost every single day as a part of his created wardrobe. He is so funny and has these in many different colors, not Naturalizer. These are from Naturalizer and they are $79.99, but he has a million pairs of shoes that look just like these. He might try to steal these from me. The next piece in my trunk is this Madewell T-Shirt, and it's really just a basic white T-shirt, nothing special. It's a nice V-neck and it is $14.63. Something I love about Nordstrom trunks is if during the time that you are trying your items and waiting to check out, they have an item that goes down in price, they're gonna give you that lower price. So even if what you see on the sheet that I have, even if you get one of these sheets and it has prices that are higher, there's a great chance that some of those items are going to decrease in price as you have your trunk. The next item in my trunk is a pair of high-waisted leggings. And these are like athleisure leggings. They have a nice feel to them, but you know, I have several pairs of black leggings. So right off the bat, I'm a little unsure of these. These are made by Zelda, which is Nordstrom's brand, and they retail for $59. I definitely wouldn't pay $59 for black leggings, so black athleisure leggings, let me clarify that. The next item in my trunk is a pair of Zelda athleisure leggings. These are high-waisted leggings, they're black, and Zelda is Nordstrom's activewear brand, and these retail for $59. And right off the bat, I'm a little bit taken aback by the price of these because I have so many pairs of workout leggings that are much cheaper than $59. But hey, we'll see what they are when I check out and we'll see how much I like them. The next item in my Nordstrom trunk is this sleeveless dress, and I love the ruching detail. This just tends to be a really flattering shape on me. It's a body conscious dress, but it has nice ruching that kind of takes some of the focus away from your midsection. This is made by Treasure & Bond, which is another Nordstrom brand, and it retails for $49. It's a nice charcoal gray color. This dress came in a lot of colors, but they only had this color in my size, so we'll see how I like it. The next item in my trunk is this t-shirt, and I really like the color, and I love the fact that it's got kind of this grayish green color with white piping on it. I like that. It's made by Treasure & Bond, and it retails for $39. I don't really have any shirts like this, so I was excited to try this one on. The next item in my trunk is a tank top, and it's a pink color. Ooh, it's got an interesting detail on the back. I haven't really seen anything quite like this. The t-shirt, the tank top actually has this kind of like burnt out fabric feel to it. It's a little bit sheer, but I like the color and I like the style. I haven't seen anything like this. This too is made by Zelda, which is Nordstrom's activewear brand, and this tank retails for $39. The next item in my trunk is a tank top, and it's also by Treasure & Bond, which is one of Nordstrom's brands. And I have some concerns about this tank top from the beginning, and my concerns are around the bust area because I have a larger bust and sometimes my bras will peek out from the sides, but we're gonna try this out. I like the color, it feels really soft. The price point, it's only $20. It's a great basic that I would love to have in my closet if it works, so we'll try it out. The next piece in my trunk, love or hate the Kardashians, I have seen nothing but good things about good American jeans. I was really excited to get my hands on a pair of these. These are a dark wash skinny jean, and I'm really excited to see if they live up to the hype and if I like them as much as there are a lot of people out there that just love them and love to talk about them on Instagram and TikTok. They love talking about these jeans, so I'm really excited to see if I like them just as much. This patch on the jean is really interesting. It says that this jean is a skinny sculpting jean that has extra stretch and it has flat tummy tuck. I could use that. These good American jeans retail for $99. The next item in my trunk is a pair of Spanx Look at Me seamless leggings. And enough said, Spanx leggings, we all know, we love them. This pair is seamless, and so I'm really excited to try these on and see if they work for me. The last item in my trunk is a pair of high-waisted athletic leggings in the 7/8 length. They're red and they're made by Girlfriend Collective. I don't have any red activewear leggings in my collection, but I do have a pair of hot pink ones. These are fairly priced at $32.97, and we'll see how I like them. Let's go try on some clothes.
4-inch heels, stride on the sidewalk. All I need is hearing your sweet talk. Yeah, feel so free. My mind wanna jaywalk. Yeah, take a sip of that crazy look in your eyes. As we dance, as we move, as we fall, as you spin me off the ground. As we go, we flow into each other. One level up with you. Wanna make you feel it too. Wanna come around and roll closer. Yeah, yeah. Feel so real. We are a vision.
All right, so here's what I'm keeping. I ended up loving these slip-on shoes. They're super comfortable, and I haven't really seen any material quite like these on shoes. They're really soft, and I love that they have gray and brown tones, and they're just gonna be really comfortable slip-ons. And fortunately for me, my foot is slightly smaller than my husband's, so he can't steal my shoes. I can only steal his. The next item from my trunk that I'm keeping are these leggings. These are the black Zelda leggings. And I know I didn't really like them at first. I didn't see anything very special about them, but once I tried them on, I loved how they fit. I loved the support they gave me, and they were really comfortable. I like the material as well, so I'm keeping these. I'm also keeping this sleeveless dress. I absolutely love it. I love how it has the short detail around the waist. I think it's really, really flattering, and I can either wear it alone, I can dress it up, dress it down. It's just a really great basic dress, so definitely want to keep this. Also, had to keep this Madewell T-shirt for $14.63. It's really quality cotton. Oh, I already got a makeup stain on it. That's me in white shirts. But I really like the V-neck, and I just think it's a great shirt. I love, love, love this shirt. It's so soft, and it's got kind of an oversized fit to it. It's really comfortable, and I think it's really, really cute. And it's a little bit of a different take on a basic tee. So love this, have to have this. And then I'm also keeping this tank top. It's really soft and really cozy. I do have the issue with the bra, but I figure I can layer it or try a different bra and see if that works with this shirt, but love this tank. Now, for the items I'm not keeping. You know, this tank, I just didn't love it. It fit well and whatnot, but I really just didn't love it, and so I'm not keeping it. The Good American jeans. They were nice. They didn't feel very comfortable. I like my jeans to have a little bit more stretch than these had, and I don't know, they're $100 and I just don't love them, so they're going back. The most disappointing item in my trunk had to be these Spanx leggings, and they sent me the wrong size, so I could barely even get them up my legs. So these are definitely going back, and I'm not gonna exchange sizes, I'm just gonna send them back. I like the other black leggings. And the last item in my trunk that I'm sending back are these red Girlfriend Collective leggings. I just didn't love the color. They were perfectly nice and perfectly comfortable. I just know myself, I don't wear a ton of color, so I try not to buy a ton of color either. All right, here are my final thoughts on this trunk. This trunk was the weakest trunk that I received from Nordstrom. I was a little bit disappointed. I felt like it wasn't very personalized. I felt like my stylist didn't take into account the previous feedback that I had left. And I really feel like they didn't look at the other pieces that I had very much. I feel like this is just a very generic trunk that could have been sent to just about anybody and not really something for me. And so with that said, I'm gonna be sure to give really, really good feedback as I'm returning a lot of these items in the trunk so that hopefully my next one is better. Please let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I'd love to have you here. Until the next video, bye!